Want to get started with LibreOffice? This free office suite includes Writer for documents, Calc for spreadsheets, Impress for presentations, and several other useful tools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use LibreOffice in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch LibreOffice from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. The Start Center gives you quick access to the main applications. You can choose Writer for documents, Calc for spreadsheets, Impress for presentations, or another LibreOffice application. Let's start with Writer. Click Writer Document to create a new document, then enter your text and use the toolbar to format it. You can change fonts, headings, alignment, spacing, and other formatting options just like you would in other word processors. Next, open Calc when you need to work with numbers, tables, or spreadsheets. Enter your data into cells and use formulas to perform calculations. Calc also includes tools for sorting, filtering, creating charts, and organizing larger sets of data. For presentations, open Impress and choose a presentation layout or template. You can add text, images, shapes, and additional slides. Take a moment to organize your slides and use the presentation tools to prepare everything for your audience. After creating your work, open the File menu and choose Save or Save As. LibreOffice supports its own formats as well as several commonly used file types. You can also export documents to formats such as PDF when you need a file that's easy to share. Finally, close your document and reopen it from the Start Center or your saved file location. You can continue editing whenever you need to. So once you become familiar with Writer, Calc, and Impress, you can handle most everyday office tasks directly in LibreOffice. And that's how to use LibreOffice. Start with Writer for documents, Calc for spreadsheets, and Impress for presentations. Then explore the saving, exporting, and formatting tools as you become more comfortable. LibreOffice has a lot of features, but learning these basics gives you a great starting point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.